Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Panasonic SC-GN01 Gaming Speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker headset is not making sound, it's not connecting to Bluetooth, it's not pairing, it's not working in any kind of way, we can fix a lot of these issues with a hard reset to the factory default settings. The other reason is if for just whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box with all of the history and everything cleared off of it, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is with it on, we're just going to press and hold the volume down until we get the volume all the way to the minimum level of 0. And actually when it gets to 0, it'll make a little tone indicating that the volume is all the way down. Once that happens, we're going to come in and we're going to press the sound and the mute buttons for at least 5 seconds. And what will happen is then it will enter its factory reset mode and it will make another tone. Once you hear that tone, you can let go, and then the light on it will start to blink once every second. And all you need to do from there, once it's blinking, then we're just going to come in, we're going to find this mic mute button, and we're just going to press the mic mute button while that light is blinking, and everything will be reinitialized, everything will be reset, and at that point you can go ahead and set this up like a new speaker.